Be very, very quiet. I'm making a midnight snack. I'm making some sausage. Can you see me? Shh. You remember my Johnsonville sausage grill? Oh. I got the breakfast links and the original. Ooh, the little patties. So we're going to change these plates over here. They're in the box. Remember? Be very, very quiet. Look, I'll show you. Remember? Has these kind. And again with these kind. The plates. Got the bang up weights to make sausage weights. Very, very quiet. I put in the little link plates. Let me go down because they have a channel there. Can you see okay? Oh, this for the other ones, remember? Match them up. Like that. Nice. What a nice midnight snack this is. Vermont maple syrup breakfast sausage. Put them in there real nice, see that? Look at that. Johnsonville. I smell the maple syrup. It has little channels for the grease to run out of down there. You see that? It's going to fit a whole pack perfectly. Look at that. See? The whole pack fits in there. Be very quiet. We close the lid. See? Boop. Plug it in. Lock the lid and press the button. That's it. Now when it's done, it's gonna beep. But I hope it doesn't wake anybody up. Let's see how long it takes. It should take about 10 minutes. And the sausage maker knows the exact time to stop. It's very smart and genius. I wanted those patties too. I think I'll make them too. Can you see better now? What a great midnight snack. I'll be back. Hope it doesn't beep too loud. Shh. Starting to hear a nice sizzle. Hope the sizzle doesn't wake anybody up. I think the smell will more than anything. I really wanted these. I might make these too. Shh. You hear it? Oh. There it says Johnsonville since 1945. Thank you. I love it. Shh. Remember, it has a little grease tray in the front here that pulls out. And all the grease rolls down through the channels. Cooking healthier. After this, quickly, I'm going to put these patty plates in there. Patty plates. And make the patties. Oh, they're screaming now. be very, very quiet. It's been 5 minutes. It smells delicious. Mmm. Shh. Okay. That was 8 minutes altogether. The light went off because it was done perfectly. 8 minutes. Oh, goodness. Oh, what a snack. What a breakfast. Get them out. Let's let the plates cool down so I can put the patties in. Here's the tray. Grease tray. See it? See? Perfect. Perfect. They smell so good. You want one? Look how perfect they are. It knows. It knows how to cook them and when to stop. It was 8 minutes for those. Now I want to get these out without burning myself. Put the other plates in there. I want to taste one too though. It's a little hot. How hot is it? Oh, a little crunch on there. Release these tabs up here. Oh, there it comes. See? Don't do that while it's hot. Let it cool. All right. Gotta release these tabs. Pull them back. Pull this out. Oof, it's hot. Now we'll change these over. See how it has the grease channel there? That goes on the bottom. Locked in with the tabs. Top one. Match it up. 2 tabs down. If you can see that okay. Snap the tabs in. And put the patties in. It's our original recipe breakfast sausage. Good. Perfect. See, it's made perfectly for a pack. Links or patties. You match the plate. Okay. Close the lid. Lock it down till the latch snaps. Push the button again. Alright, let's see how long that takes. This took 8 minutes. Take another bite. Wow. Crunchy on the outside. woke up yet. Still have to be very quiet. What a good snack. If there's any left over, we can have them for breakfast. Or lunch. Starting to sizzle again. That's the great thing about this. You don't even have to know the times or the temperatures. It knows what's in there and it cooks them perfectly. As you saw. It's like a sausage party. What delicious maple flavor these have. And a nice snap to the casing. And the plates clean up pretty easily too. I used a wash rag and hot water in there and then clean up pretty nice, see? No big mess. Shh. Nobody woke up yet. It's been 5 minutes. Nice and clean. Put them back in their pouch. They have their own little safety pouches, so they're clang free. I like these though. I like those brats. This is a great invention. I'm glad I got one. 6 minutes. That was 6.5 minutes. Let's open it up. It's gonna be perfect. I never made patties in here yet. Oh. I love it. What do you think? Not too undercooked, not too overcooked, both sides. All the grease runs off down into the tray. I know I'd be waking up if I smelled this. How about you? Let that cool a little bit. Look at that. Oh. What a midnight snack. Oh, shh. That's supposed to be quiet. Alright, let's let them cool a little bit. I might even make some eggs. Who am I kidding? I'm just going to eat the meat. Let it cool for a couple minutes. I'll be right back. Uh-oh. Somebody's waking up. Uh-oh. Shh. I was just going to taste one. I hear somebody walking around. Shh. Somebody woke up. Did you smell them?
I smelled something good.
I didn't want to wake you up. I'm having a sausage party. Go back to sleep. Unless you want some.
Oh yeah, I'll have
Now that you're up.
Of course I will. You can't eat all that by yourself.
Oh yes, I can. Okay, well, I got caught. I could expect to cook something like that and somebody not wake up. So get yourself a Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill Plus. All the extra plates. Now we can have some eggs right now. How would you like them? You just want a hunk? Since I woke you up out of your sleep?
Oh yeah,
We were planning on making sliders with these, right?
Oh.
You have slider rolls.
Yes, we have slider rolls.
Why don't you go back to sleep? I'll take care of these.
I'm gonna have a sausage first.
Link or patty?
Patty.
One of each.
Okay.
Alright, I'm glad you were quiet. It was my fault she woke up. No, it was the sausage's fault. Have a nice day. Go back to sleep.